To the channel USDT Masters. So we're just gonna do some analysis for Tuesday. Yeah, today's Tuesday, just to check what we could be expecting for in the market today. So I'm gonna start on the daily and just apply some quick repetitions. So and see if I can find any repetitions. So repetitions is when I check this date. So whatever, every time when it's the 22nd, what happened during the day, because there's a very high chance I can find similarities on this date. So we can see the 22nd. So we just scroll looking for the 22nd. It's 22nd. Yeah, not 20 seconds. The 22nd. So you just scroll. So that's the 22nd there, as you can see. So you just note it down and we check again. So we check again. Let's check the last one at least. Or maybe if you check 3 is enough. Another one there. They've been, this one and this one have been the same. Just continuing it to the downside. Okay, one last one. Let's check one last one. So 24, 21, so no 22nd. The 22nd, it feels like I'm saying 20 seconds on the 22nd. Yeah. So another one there. Okay, I'm looking at them. I'm not seeing any similarities between these candlesticks. I see this one, it gave us a sell after a strong buy. This one just continued to sell. This one just also, or maybe continued to sell but closed as a buy. I'm sorry, I don't see anything. So if you don't see any repetition between the candlesticks, because it's something that's clear and specific, so that candlestick, they should be the same. But you can see that this one and this one, they were kind of the same, but still not perfectly the same. So there's not been any repetitions on this day. So every time on the 22nd, it does completely something new. So we have to now go to lower time frames to see something. So as you know, on my 3 hours, so when I look at the 3 hours, I look at two things. I look at trend lines and I look at formations. So already I see a formation that formed down below there. So the reason we entered buys there, that's because it was a formation. It was a 3 and 3 formation. The reason I call it a 3 and 3 formation is because if you check the time there, it's 3 o'clock. And if you check the time there, it's 3 o'clock. So people who know about the 15-15 resistance, I don't know if you've been attending my sessions, you know, 15-15 resistance. This is called the 15-15 resistance. So yeah, so that's the 15-15 resistance. I think I sent a signal using this chart, if I'm correct. No, it was not this one. Was it this one? Okay, I think I rubbed it. It's gone. But yeah, so this is why we entered buys there. So due to the 15-15 resistance, and then as you can see, it's a W formation. If you don't see it, let me make it clear for you. So as you can see, it's a W formation. Let me make it a bit solid, busy with that. As you can see, that's a W formation. So on the third, that's what I'm looking for, formations, and I see already we're in a formation, so I'm still kind of looking for buys. That's something I can point out. But we can see that there's also a head and shoulder here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like we have this. I know we have two heads, which is what's happening now. Why do we have two heads now? But yeah, we saw it going, and then what happened? What happened? I'm out. Something just disturbed my flow. So as you see, that's the head there. That's the head. And then it came back just for, so that's the 3 hours. 3 hours, you see your formations clearly. But as I say, you use time again. So if we take that low there and then we check the time, because the time is very important, is 12 o'clock. And then what do we want there? We want it should be 12 o'clock that came there to retest. So we're just gonna check the time. As you can see, it's 12 o'clock, confirming that we're looking for buys. So I'm sorry those who were in my group, I didn't send this signal, but we're still in this buys, as you know. So we can just keep on holding. But yeah, just going to lower time frame, we will get a proper confirmation. And as I'm speaking about signals, I have a group called USDT Masters. I provide free signals there. So this buy entry was sent out for free. So if I could have sent this one, I was gonna also send it for free. So I send all my signals for free. But if you wanna join the group, there's a description down below there. Just click that link and then it will direct you to a Telegram group. So yeah, well, let's continue. So now, once I'm done with that, getting my formations, because my formations give me the overall direction. So I'm looking for buys. So I'm looking for buys. I can't go against a head and shoulder, which is a head and shoulder there. So this is a strong. Maybe if we do come back to that area, we'll look for buys again. We'll do that. But yeah, let's go to a lower time frame. So lower time frames, what do I look for? I look for zones. I look for zones, and I also draw my key levels. So as you see, I have two things that I do with the 3 hours. I have two things. I draw my trend lines, and I look for formations. But there was no trend line. There was no trend line. And then on the 1 hour, again look for two things. I look for my zones and I draw my key levels. So let's draw key levels. Are we approaching a key level at that area? Let me check. I wanna try and zoom in. I can't. So let's check. Is this a key level that we are approaching? So we are approaching a key level. So which is the 550, which is up there. So do we have a key level below? We tested a key level here, the 550. So that was also again, I spoke about it during our session. The guys, we're gonna buy at the 250 key level. We're gonna see a big move there. That's where it's going to start. And as you can see, it gave us a perfect entry exactly at the key level. So yeah, I think I'm gonna only use these two key levels if yeah, but maybe let me add one more. Maybe at the top I can add one more at the 750, because that's where our TP is, at the 750 key level. We're hoping to break this key level because I think it might maybe be an area of support, because we saw a break confirmation down there. It didn't fully come to give us a retest that we want, but yes, it was a retest. But just watch out for this area. It's kind of strong, but we have another strong area there. That's also a strong area there that we can watch out for. It's a nice strong area there that's not been retested. I was hoping for it to get retested before we sell, so that when we come back we can break it. So this is gonna be a really tough area for us. So if you are looking for sales, look out for this key level, and also look out for that area for sales. And if you do wanna continue with the buys, catch the buys again, this area, that's the area you wanna watch out for, as it's close to the head and shoulder formation, and it created a zone. So we have this zone there and that zone there. So this area, if you want to continue with the buys, this is the best place to enter, and this will be the best place to enter sales. Yeah, just watch out for this key level and that area there. So, but yeah, I think that's the analysis, but we can even go to the 15 minutes just to get perfect, beautiful entries at the 15 minutes. So at the 15 minutes, we had this zone that has already been taken out, as you can see. So this zone has been taken out. So with the 15-minute, that's where we saw the strong sell there, and also this zone has been taken out. That's where we saw this nice beautiful sell there. So, and then we have no zones at the moment at this area. So this place we are going to break. So we're going to break that place, unless if it holds more than once. But yeah, there's a very high chance we're gonna break there, and then yeah, we might be approaching this zone. But yeah, as I said, watch out for the key level. Key levels are very strong. So yeah, we kind of have two resistance, this one and that one there, and this one there. If it does come back for buys, and yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. Thank you guys. Thank you. And if you want to learn from me, as I say, I do provide lessons. I do lessons every Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sunday. I also have a specific course where I teach you one-on-one lessons. And yeah, but yeah, immediately once you join our Telegram group, yeah, you'll see, use the Team Master there. You can Telegram me anytime. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, enjoy your day.